Let me share with you an awesome story on how this indie hacker pivoted their product to go from $200 to 1.2K a month in revenue. So this post comes from IndieHackers. It was written by Karthik, who's a co-founder of Launchpedia. And so they launched Launchpedia in January, and their plan was to build a content-rich website about product hunt launches and then monetize it through sponsorship. So this plan looked great on paper, but in reality, it was a big mistake. And that was because scaling a startup through sponsorships turns out to be super tough, especially when you quit your 9-to-5 and your savings are on the line. Because to increase the number of sponsors, you need to keep getting more and more traffic to your site. And getting traffic to your site is not a short-term task. It can take months to get significant increases in your website traffic, and they realized this only too late. And in their best month, they were making around $200, and it was unsustainable revenue. And with no more options left, they thought about just shelving Launchpedia and building other ideas. So they pivoted here. Before shelving it, they thought of building and selling digital products as one last try. Because they had experience in building digital products and monetizing them, they wanted to see if they could then sell this knowledge. So they created a plan. So it was bundle all their content into digital products, build a funnel with 3 products, do giveaways and build an audience, and then finally launch a paid product and a productized service as an upsell. They did this for a month and they made $1,200 in sales, clients, and donations from all of their product services. So they're repositioning Launchpedia totally into a digital product store for founder and indie hackers that helps them launch their product. So definitely a cool pivot here. And that is a huge change in revenue. That's 6 times from their best month here, just by pivoting the way they monetize their audience. And so if we take a look at Launchpedia, they were the #2 product of the day. And it's the Wikipedia for product launches. So you can find the best resources and digital products to nail your next product launch, and you can subscribe for free. If you've gotten this far in the video, I'm sure you'd be interested in sneaky micro SaaS ideas you can steal for free. All you need to do is enter in your email. There's a link for this in the description below. I also have a course on how you can build your own micro SaaS, even if you don't have a product idea yet. And there's a link in the description for this as well. Make sure you check that out. So this is going to conclude the video on how this indie hacker made one change and pivot in their pricing and distribution to go from $200 a month to 1.2K in revenue. Congrats to Karthik here and what they've been able to do. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.